This gel is amazing because you're not only going to be able to use it over acrylic, hard gel, as well as gel polish, you're going to be able to cure it tack-free. I'm going to be showing you all the features and benefits on this amazing product and how you're going to be able to take advantage through your services. After I am done file finishing, and I want to make sure that you understand this, finishing with a buffer to get it as smooth as you can is probably not the best thing all the time. So what I want to be able to do after I'm done, and you'll notice that I'm actually doing this with my 150 file. Right, so when everything is shaped, I'll just lightly go over the surface and kind of just texture the surface with scratches. And that way, the gel that I apply over the surface is going to stick really, really well. So what I'm gonna end up doing is using Swipe to clean off all the dust from the surface. Just gonna make sure that everything is nice and clean. And then what we wanna make sure that we do so that our gel polishes or our top coats do not chip away is I have to make sure that I'm gonna be putting a coat of protein bond over the surface. Okay, so once we are done cleaning the surface and applying protein bond, what I'm going to do is take a nice even amount of finish gel, which is start from the cuticle, and I'm going to be using a very light kind of even pressured application, as you can see. There's no rule that says you have to apply it in 3 strokes. So what I'll do is I'll get it on and I'll continue to work it from cuticle to free edge until I have a nice even coat. And then once you're done, you're gonna go inside the light and cure it out for a full minute. And you're going to notice a brilliant shine come out on the surface of the nail. Another great function for finish is being able to do glitter press on the surface. I'm going to set this inside the light for 30 seconds, right? It's not fully cured. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Crypto, which is a glitter that we released this year, press this into the surface, all right? Just dab everything on. Right? Then once everything is on, what I'm going to do is start really pushing down firm onto the surface. And what this is gonna do is gonna flatten all the glitter and compress it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with another coat over the whole entire surface. I'm gonna get that back inside the light as soon as I apply that second coat over the top. Take your finished gel, apply a nice even coat from cuticle to free edge, and then once you're done, you're gonna go inside the light for a final 60-second cure. And as you can see, using finish for a glitter press is also another amazing option. Last but not least is the ability to use finished gel to do sugaring applications. What we're going to do is we're just going to pour it over the whole entire surface to create a nice textured look. To shake off the excess, just like that. We're gonna get this inside the light for a full minute. I'm going to be using a manicure brush just to get the excess off around the edges. And as you can see, we could use finished gel to create the perfect texture on whatever enhancement you decide to use.